Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and today we're making pecan pie thumbprint cookies. These pecan pie inspired cookies are delicious and super easy to make. Let's get started. First, we will preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's measure out all the ingredients we'll need to make our cookie dough. For the cookie dough, we'll need 2.5 cups of flour, 2 sticks of butter softened, a half a cup of granulated sugar, a quarter of a cup of packed brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of baking powder. Now that we have all of our ingredients, in a large bowl we will add our flour, baking powder, and salt. Whisk everything together. This not only combines our ingredients, but it also helps to break up any clumps. Once everything is mixed together, we will just set our flour mixture aside for later and move over to our electric mixer. To our electric mixer, we will cream together our butter, granulated sugar, and packed brown sugar. Here I'm using my electric stand mixer, but I always like to mention that a handheld mixer will work just as great. While our butter and sugars are mixing, let's crack our eggs and get them ready for the next step. Now that our sugar and butter are well combined, we will add our eggs. We will add our eggs one at a time, making sure that the first egg is well combined before adding the second. Once our eggs are mixed in, we will add our vanilla extract. After the vanilla is mixed in, we will grab our flour mixture that we set aside earlier and begin adding it to our cookie dough. We will add our flour mixture to our cookie dough little by little until all of it has been added. Once all of the flour mixture has been added, we will turn off our mixer, and with the spatula we will scrape the sides and bottom of our bowl, making sure that everything is fully incorporated. Cover your cookie dough with plastic wrap and set it aside. I like to place mine in the refrigerator while I prepare the pecan pie filling. For the pecan pie filling, we'll need 1 cup of chopped pecans, a half a stick of butter melted, a half a cup of heavy cream, a half a cup of packed brown sugar, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. To a large bowl, we will simply add all of our ingredients. Now we will just stir everything together to combine our ingredients. We are finally ready to start assembling our cookies. But first we will line our baking sheets with parchment paper. Then we will grab our cookie dough from the refrigerator. Scoop some of the cookie dough and form it into a ball, about 1 to 2 inches in size. Place it on the cookie sheet and with your thumb, press down to form an indentation in the center. I like to widen my indentation so that I can fit more of the pecan pie filling. I always form all of my cookies first before adding the filling. Now that our cookies are formed, let's add our pecan pie filling to the center where we formed that indentation. Once all of our cookies are fully assembled, we will place them in the oven and bake for 10 to 16 minutes. Once your cookies are done baking, the bottom will be slightly golden and the filling will have bubbled up. It's important to note that the filling will deflate down once it's out of the oven and had some time to cool. Our pecan pie thumbprint cookies are now ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed the video and give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching and be sure to like and subscribe for more.